Hello people at YouTube. I'm getting ready to set up a computer build, a Ryzen 3 2200G. I'm going to put it in this case here. This was a Roswell case, it was black. I painted it like a lime green citrus color. I'm just prepping it, cleaning it up, removing some fans, repurposing. Also, I have power supply, 8-pin, 250 watts, which is going to be enough for the Ryzen build. And I'm going to take out the USB 3.0 port because I got me another USB 3.0 with 4 ports that will be in the bay in the front. I'm going to do a little customization to this case with some more. Get all ready for it. Little scuffs here and there from laying around my kids. Been playing with it, using it for a step ladder and stuff like that. But that's okay. I might probably cut this out, get some more airflow, and or I'll probably just leave it alone. Not for sure yet. Just planning out some details, what I want to do. What I'm going to use is a Sound Blaster SB1570 sound card and a SATA to PCI Express X1 for my SSD, so I can just slide it into the PCI Express hole. Once the board, this is an older motherboard, Pentium 4, socket 478 that came out of it. I was just using it for test purposes. Old school. Another old school computer sitting here. Pentium 4 socket 775 Optiplex. No, it's not. Dimension E310. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start the clean process and get it ready for the next challenge once all the parts coming off. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, I'm done with the mod. I cut the hole a little bit too far over here, so that's why I got the mesh mod on top of this hole to fix some of the problem. I'll put some in there too. I'll put the fan outside here, outside the case, instead of the inside. And I melted down the little plastic pieces, make it fit. It fits nice and flush now. And it's not too bad, so it has better airflow sucking inward going. Plus that's a LED fan, blue, I got it from the spare in my box. And I think I'll go online for $7, buy a 120mm fan, a fan cover. Just cover this up here and bolt it down. Or I could just try and get some black paint and just go around here, take it off, and fill it in. Now put that control panel inside there. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, the USB 3.0 controller's in. And DVD burner, standard. just wait for the motherboard to come in with the CPU chip to put this all together. Put that side down actually. We'll have to find the other side panel soon. Alright, that's all did right now. Fan is now inside here in the bezel where it can suck on all this nice cool air. But goes into the case. $450 watts max. 8-pin power SATA cables, and a 6-pin or a 8-pin for a bigger video card. Okay, that's it for right now. I'm thinking about buying a chrome cover for the front, make it look stylish a little bit better, cover that the cut up a little bit. I'm not for sure. Tell me if you want to leave it or cover it up. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.